Food processing and packaging plants are expected to meet the highest standards of sanitation. Yet conventional conveyors driven by shafts and sprockets, which harbor bacteria such as E. coli and Listeria and are susceptible to foreign material contamination, continue to be commonly used.
Food safety has to be a top priority, and Vandercraft just plays a huge role in us being able to be successful in that.
Less equipment is the most sanitary equipment, and if you can do the job without an external gearbox, without a motor, without two bearings, obviously those are things you don't have to clean. Those are things that aren't going to harbor bacteria.
The Vandergraaf SSV Sanitary drum motor is the next generation conveyor drive for food processing and packaging plants.
We like to be state-of-the-art in the equipment that we have at our facility.
Just the benefits that it's provided us in manufacturing as far as reduction in time, simplicity, safety. It's just so easy to install. We're just putting them on, they clip right in, a couple of minutes they're installed and never have any issues with them.
The SSV Sanitary drum motor features continuous profiles machined directly onto the all 3/16 stainless steel drum and is designed to drive modular monolithic thermoplastic and wire mesh belts without the use of sprockets. Plus, its IP69K sealing system withstands washdown pressure up to 3,000 psi.
So many components with the old style drive with bearings, shafts, sprockets, motor, gearbox. You have a lot of areas that are difficult to get to. Some are impossible to get to without disassembling the conveyor. The Vandergraaf drive eliminates most, if not all, of those areas.
The conventional motor and gearbox is 2 to 3 times longer to maintain and work on. The Vandergraaf motor is maintenance-free. Hook it up and run it.
The great thing about the Vandergraaf motor is that it will withstand 3,000 psi of water pressure. So we can get in, we can wash things down quickly, we can apply our chemicals to kill our microbes, and then we are back up and running again.
The most efficient and hygienic way to drive your conveyor system. The Vandergraaf SSV Sanitary drum motor leaves no place for bacteria to hide.
Up until 2011, we were using the old style motor and gearbox drives for our conveyors, and we experienced about a 3 to 5% failure rate during the first year on the motor and gearbox. And once we switched to the Vandergraaf, that failure rate during the first year dropped to about 1%. And we've even had years with 0% failure rate. It's been a tremendous improvement.
Allitray's been doing business with Vandergraaf since about 12 years. They started to helping us with some internal failures that we had. Since that time, we've just seen the potential for us to limit the amount of downtime that we've had, and also just to make a safer work environment.
Reduces your downtime, increases your productivity. Downtime is money.